Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I wanna introduce myself again. My name is Ita Devi Puspita Sari and you can call me Ita. And I from Institut Agama Islam Negeri Ponorogo or IAIN. My major is English education, especially I'm from TBI E, and let's do the video. Again, I made this video to fulfilling my excitement from speaking English education in a final exam. Okay, now we discuss about education in Indonesia. This is like problem and solution of education in Indonesia, and certainly my version. This time, we will discuss the biggest problems that exist in the Indonesian education system. Indonesia is a very developed country in the world because of its very rapid population density. But it is very unfortunate that the Indonesian people do not get a good and guaranteed education. It has been proven in 2015 by the OECD through the test program for International Student Assessment or PISA that student achievement in Indonesia has a low level far from the average in all fields, especially mathematics, science, and reading. As we know, there are many schools and universities that have inadequate facilities and are somewhat behind the technology than other countries. This is due to the increasingly rampant corruption of officials. For the reason, many experts are of the opinion that even though the state has spent a large budget for education, it will not have a significant impact on improving the quality of education, especially in improving school facilities and infrastructure. Lot of schools still charge more for facilities and school books for learning. The lack of school facilities and unequal education in Indonesia has resulted in students receiving poor quality learning. In the village, there are still many people who cannot go to school or drop out of school due to cost factor. It's all because of the corruption of money. But there were many government servants who did it solely for money, especially budget for education in Indonesia. And the last is solution. What the government can do is work together to eradicate and prevent corruption. Not only that, cooperation between communities and educators is very much needed for a good education system to take place. Then, a equitable distribution of education, especially the facilities and infrastructure for city and even village areas. This must also be supported by students who are obligated to be enthusiastic about going to school, because this is what can trigger the increase in Indonesia education rank in the world. We also must not forget some students who have made Indonesia proud in the world through education. Finish, and I'm sorry for my mistake if my pronunciation incorrect, and the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.